When I first read this topic, I had to ask my kaiako what the words potential and realize really meant. The definition of potential states having or showing the capacity to develop into something in the future. Get it! And by the end of the speech, so will you. I am inspired by role models that motivate and encourage young Māori to pursue high levels of education, sports, employment, enterprise, and innovation, such as Black Ferns Rugby World Cup, Rugby Sevens winner Portia Woodman and Trish Hina, the first in history to win World Cups in both rugby and league. I'm so proud to be Māori, a Māori girl that is ambitious and more than just a pukana or a pila of kumara at the marae. Being Māori opens many doors and opportunities. In the All Blacks, many past and present players are Māori. In the film industry, we have Taika Waititi, Julian Dennison, and heaps more, all very successful in their chosen professions. Let's look at Parliament. Who do we have there? We have Nanaia Mahuta, Kelvin Davis, Pini Hinare, to name a few. Also, there's Dr. Lance O'Sullivan in medicine. Joe Williams, the first Māori judge appointed to the Supreme Court. And no way can I not mention these ngā manu kōrero judges in front of me. Potent, strong, Māori. In times past, my ancestors travelled all the way from Hawaii, navigating by the use of stars, upon waka that they made. My ancestors realised their potential. Māori improvised with resources that were at nature's very feet. Cooking food underground, making bags out of flax, clothes out of our beautiful plants, and houses out of punga. In my eyes, that is potential. What am I going to be speaking about today? That Māori are potential to be realised. Māori stands for mighty, adventurous, organic, realistic influences. I'm going to break these down, and at the end of this speech, you too will be enlightened about how Māori were, are, and will be potential to be realised. M stands for mighty. Why are Māori mighty? Because Māori would get beaten for speaking Te Reo Māori at school. And at home, they'll get beaten for speaking English. Despite all the bad things that they experienced in their time, our reo was still strong. And as the years go by, it is getting passed down every generation. And it is growing faster than weeds. It is growing faster than the weeds in your nana's garden. How do I know this? Because we're mighty. We are pushing through these challenges to bring Te Reo Māori back from the brink of loss. Because we are now one of the biggest kura kaupapa Māori in Aotearoa with over 280 students, so big now that we have a waiting list. A waiting list for those who are hungry for our reo and for our culture and for our kaupapa. And that's just here in the little old kaiko here. Māori are potential to be realised. A stands for adventurous. Māori are very adventurous. Just like our tupuna. Our tupuna left Hawaii seeking for a new beginning, a new journey. Kids nowadays are very adventurous, just like our tupuna. We are always looking for something to do, whether it's starting to pass NTA level 1, 2, and 3 and make it into university, going outside to do manus on the lawn because the rain filled up the potholes, going hunting with the kazis, performing kapahaka at my marae in Matawaia. All of us kids play in the bush on the side of the dusty driveway. Rain, hail, or sunshine. There's always some snotty-nosed kid down there. Adventure is in our blood. The adventure that takes Māori around the world, showcasing our culture, our customs, and our language. It's the same sense of adventure that brought our tupuna here. The venture that took Sir Hekunuku Mai Busby te Aurere over 30,000 miles using the sea, the stars, and the wind. And Māori know how to do it. Māori are potential to be realised. O stands for organic. Organic basically means naturally. Naturally good at sport, naturally beautiful, naturally funny, naturally tough. Why else is our country so popular with the rest of the world? It's because of how organic we are, how we are true to ourselves. It's about how we're returning to our knowledge and who we are. R stands for realistic. Realistic in the realization that Māori do have potential. I am a proud Indigenous Māori, and I have potential that is being realized on this stage today. I stands for influences, and no, I don't mean in the way where you get a growling for being a bad influence on your little cousin. I mean, and that we are world leaders in language and cultural revitalization. So to conclude, let me influence you with a whakatauki. Ahakoa iti noa he pitomata. Although it's small, it has potential. No matter how big or small you are, you have potential. Māori are potential to be realized.